In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manually check for updates on the DuckDuckGo web browser. By the end, you'll know how to open the DuckDuckGo browser, run a manual update check, install any available update, and restart the browser to finish the process. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. If it's already open, bring it to the front so you can see the main window. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner. It's the button with 3 dots. This opens the browser menu. From here, select Settings. Click it to open the Settings page or tab. Now scroll down and click About DuckDuckGo Browser. This takes you to the About section, which is where the manual update check happens. The browser will automatically check for updates on this screen. You don't need to press anything yet. Just wait a moment while it looks for the latest version. If you don't see anything change right away, that's normal. Give it a few seconds to complete the check. If your browser is already up to date, it will indicate that and you can close settings. If an update is available, click Update. You'll see the update begin right away. Stay on this screen and avoid closing the browser while the update is in progress. You may see a progress bar or a brief download indicator as the files are fetched. Wait for the update to download. The time this takes can vary based on your connection speed and the size of the update. It's okay to let it run without clicking anything else. When the download finishes, the browser prepares the update for installation. Finally, restart the browser to apply the update. Click the Restart prompt when it appears. The window will close and reopen, which is expected. After the restart, the update is fully applied. At this point, you've opened the DuckDuckGo browser, navigated to Settings, used the About DuckDuckGo browser page to manually check for updates, installed the update if one was available, waited for it to download, and restarted the browser to complete the installation. The manual update process for the DuckDuckGo web browser is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.